Is your dishwasher not draining? Is it clogged completely? This one was clogged and I couldn't figure it out. My name is Larry and I've been a licensed contractor for 25 years and this one was a challenge to me. I'm going to show you 4 easy steps that will fix your dishwasher draining issues. Okay, we're going to show you the easiest to the most difficult. Level 1, open your dishwasher, get to the bottom. All modern dishwashers are going to have some kind of filtration here. It will block out the food particles and the large chunks. So you want to unscrew this. This is a Bosch model, but they will be similar. And you want to lift that out. The screen could be clogged with food particles. You're going to have a filter here that's going to be pretty disgusting. And you probably have dirty water and food chunks trapped down there. You want to clean it out. So this part here, you can spray that off. And you can go to town and you can get that all cleaned out, get all the food particles on here. So this is level 1. It's the easiest. It probably will get your dishwasher draining properly. You'll be back in business. This is the easiest, quickest one, and it usually is the problem. Mine was a surprising problem. You'll find out later. Now on to level 2. You have to get in a little further. Let's get under the sink. Come on in here. When you get under your sink, you're going to find the drain tube for your dishwasher. It's going to have a retainer clip. A regular slotted screwdriver or a driver screwdriver will loosen up that retainer clip. And then with that loose, this hose will come out. Okay, you want to inspect the hose to make sure it's clear. This could be your problem. You could have a clog here. I was able to observe that it was still flowing clear. So I felt the clog was not there, but also this loose eyelet, this drainage eyelet here. You want to look in there. Now yours might look like this, or it might look like this on your disposal. A lot of the dishwashers do drain into disposals. You want to get in there and actually look with a flashlight into that opening and see if there's an obstruction. There might be a broken piece of china or food stuck in there. That might be your problem. You're going to simply reattach it the same way you took it off. Make sure it's all the way down on that drain pipe. So level 1 was drain cleaning. Level 2 was drain hose cleaning. Let's look at level 3. If your dishwasher is still not draining after you cleared the food filter at the bottom and the drain hose, next you want to turn off the power, including the electrical, and you want to get underneath. Now, once you get underneath, depending on your model, you might have good access here to inspect the drain hose. Some models you will have to pull out the dishwasher entirely and get to the back side to inspect the pump and the drain holes. In this Bosch model, when you get down there, if your dishwasher is filled with dirty water, you might have to shop back that out or take a cup and start ladling that out to get it clear to where you can see if there's a clog. This model has a retainer clip down there that you can take off, and you can actually put your finger in the drain hose and feel the impeller of the pump and make sure it spins and make sure it's clear. By the way, to return the food screen in this model, you literally just drop it in place and turn this to the right so the dots line up. Very easy. Now underneath you could get all fancy and you can put a voltage meter to the pump to make sure the amperage is correct, the voltage is correct. I was convinced the pump might have to be replaced. You can hire an appliance repair service. They're going to be hundreds of dollars. And if you order the pump and replace it yourself, there could still be another problem. There could still be an electrical problem, so you're not sure if that's going to do the trick. Mine was a surprising repair. Vinegar, white distilled vinegar. I've used this before to clean out dishwashers and disposals. They work great. Oh yeah, that's vinegar. Vinegar has an amazing cleaning power. So what I did was literally just pour some vinegar in the drain. Now at the time I only had a half a bottle left. Use as much as you think you're going to need. And let that vinegar soak in and set there a couple hours, maybe overnight. And the next time I turned on the dishwasher, that vinegar had cleared it up, had eaten right through all the particles and the leftover food, and it started it up just fine, and you could hear the drain pumping out, and we were good to go. Let me know if you have a clogged dishwasher and what you've done and if it worked for you.